This is Womgpo.
It's not just a place that exists in videos of people filled with extreme sadness.
It's a place where Tibetan people have lived for thousands of years.
It's not just a place where entire families are being beaten and thrown in prison.
It's a place where children and grandparents walk hand in hand to circumambulate the sacred monasteries.
Womgpo is the region of Kham Dege along both banks of the Jichu River.
Today, it is split into Jomda and Dege counties.
It is home to more than 9 monasteries that are the heartbeat of the community and that are all threatened with destruction if the planned dam construction proceeds.
It's not just a place where the Chinese government is ravaging the environment.
It's a place where sacred mountains rise straight up from the banks of the Jichu River.
It's a place where Womgpo, the first Dharma king of Tibet, built the Domalagang, a temple to the Green Tara, in 683 CE.
It's a place over 10,000 people call home.
Tibet is not just yesterday's news.
Tibet is a live